All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Got another 68 Camaro in the booth here. We're gonna make this short and sweet. We're gonna paint the car back exactly the way it is. This is Brandywine over gold. So everything's in the booth, wiped down, we're ready to go. I'll link everything in the description as far as any necessary information on the gold, the candy, you know, the typical material list of how I'm doing things. Now in this particular car here, you're not gonna see me doing any artwork on it. This car was originally decaled with all the stuff that has your Camaro, the SS, the whole grill, all that stuff is just a decal. It's been cleared over. So once I get through painting everything, we're gonna actually just re-decal the car and then we'll clear coat over all of it. Now before I do anything, we do have to repair a little bit of the black border that was painted around the windows, and we have to add the silver for the bumpers because that's not actually a decaled part. So I'm gonna get everything sealed and then we're gonna throw some black on everything, throw some silver on the bumpers. Since those are so small, it's easier to do that now. Tape them off, and then we'll start laying our gold, and then we can put our candy on and then decal it and finish it up.